Guys, that's Blaine in the house.
Yo.
Yo, we having a good time here.
Yo, we going
StreetFlair down to the radio station.
You know what I mean?
Okay, that's the StreetFlair crew, right in the building. Yeah, man.
Yo, tonight we bust up the place.
Nice one.
We
bust up the place like ever before. Yeah, we having a
still
good
on
time.
G, man. Blaine Flick.
Yeah, Blaine Fake still on the matter. Zuki.
African Scan.
I know.
Coming over
right here in another place in Hyperlink. We having a great time going down to Capital FM, right in the house. Yeah, Zuki.
Why man can so duty? Some bad man, some good me. Only God can judge me. Zuki,
hey, Zuki.
Still on G. Bad man still on G. Anywhere I go, I'm still hunting. Anytime I reach, I'm still done. Still on. Still on G. Zuki, huh? No, it's still on.
Okay.
Yeah. That StreetFlair.
That's player in the house, man. Alongside Slim Daddy. But I think it's off because I'm not seeing it.
She don't see herself. Is it off?
It's off.
It's on.
Yeah, man. Okay. It's off.
You just like looking at yourself.
The red light is on.
Okay.
Red light is on.
But I love to see myself though. Yeah.
Check it, out the road.
Check it out. Check.
StreetFlair music.
Yeah, bad boy Slim Daddy.
Yeah, man. Zuki.
So we roll now on the bad man ride, right? You don't look for StreetFlair in these things.
Rolling with the biggest team, man. StreetFlair music in the house.
I can't believe superstars coming onto this. That's why we got the road now. You can't always look shiny. When you look shiny. Bro.
But this is the beginning.
You should see my 4x4 in London. That's what I'm saying about like. This thing is a good thing, you know?
There's a new beginning, man.
Wow.
You're in the back.
Why should I be in the back? Why me? Hell no.
You can sit down there, don't worry. Bring up. My lyrics. Yeah, these deep lyrics now. Stop it. I'm ready for the pumping. That's like a G line. Huh? Yeah, I saw what you did. He said he made essence after 5. I think Vicky, you can call us get this camera away from Vicky later on.
No, but it's alright, man. It's good.
Am I showing?
Huh?
Like, am I showing?
You can't see yourself?
Nah.
The red light is on.
It's gonna be there in a minute. And my phone here is dead. I just see the second floor. I feel like I was on like 6 flights of stairs already.
We got the place hot. African fire blaze the water. What? Shit. Mama. Is it closed?
Nicole red.
That's the Belgian.
Nicole. Why is it so hot in here? This thing's coming in here. This thing just bring the heat.
Living the wrong, living the wrong, they're living the wrong, they're even savage the poor, living the wrong, living the wrong, living the wrong, you don't even care about the poor, living the wrong, living the wrong, living the wrong, they don't even savage the poor, living the wrong, living the wrong, living the wrong, they don't even care with the poor, so they have enough, but I have enough, they don't have enough. Too much disrespect, Barababana, self-isolation, trust me, I'm a dana. You know what I mean, nigga, Jackal Sierra, but other kid, whoa, another banana. See more is going on at the age of 21. Baby mother got delivered after 4 days' time. I had a baby daughter, I became a baby father. After 4 days' time, she was going through shit. I remember going on to jail, I saw my mirror, in future brothers, hello, Jada. Samamira, everything happens for a reason. Oh, reason. Yes, reason. The downfall of the man is not the end of his life. Or life. Yes, life. Living it wrong. Living it wrong. They're living it wrong. They don't even care about the poor. Living it wrong. Living it wrong. Living it wrong. They don't even care about the poor. Living it wrong. Living it wrong. Living it wrong, you don't even care about the poor. Living it wrong, living it wrong, living it wrong, you don't even care about the poor. Sonia Benara, Matalibanta, Tirama Benara, Kolia Betala. For the E nigga, Madomi Adna, Malata Lipkan Ganina, Madomi Hamna, by Santa Yella, Mandomi Burra, Ken Munu Judge Ken, Hanayalla Re. If you know, then you know, I got to know better. I've been through a lot, man, I've been through the worst, and it feels like hell. When everybody was, take a stand, Antonio, StreetFlair, realest niggas all the time, they never sleep on me. For everything I've been through, they never creep on me. Oh, reason, yes, reason. The downfall of the man is not the end of his life. Oh, life, huh? Yes, life. Living it wrong, living it wrong, living it wrong, they don't even care about the poor. Living it wrong, living it wrong, living it wrong, they don't even say that the poor. Living it wrong, living it wrong, living it wrong, they don't even care about the poor. Living it wrong, living it wrong, living it wrong, they don't even share with the poor. Season. Fire! You, fire on that.
Mad thing called record season, you know? Yeah, real thing. Yeah, man. Coming soon, you know, live at Brikama. Yeah, man, you know it already. So, Mr. Flair. Yeah. Okay? Yeah, right here. Yeah, man, just to know about the level of the report, now you working with the guys. Yeah, well, you know, you got the big dog, Slim Daddy, aka Slim Papa, aka the Slimmest, aka the Brikama's finest, you know? Yeah, we got Blend, is the Afro Pop Prince, you know, they're the hottest thing on the street right now, coming out, you know what I mean, and these guys. And then we got Vicky. Now Vicky is the newest addition to the label now. So now you finally got the female artist that we've been looking for. You know what I'm saying? And Vicky bring fire. You heard the fire just now. Yeah. But before we go, we're going to drop African Skank again because some people may log on in America and they say that they want to double stuff. So we got to perform it for them. You know what I mean? And just let people know exactly what the African Skank is and what StreetFlair looking to do with the music, where Slim Daddy looking to go, where Blink Flip looking to go, you know? It's bigger than Gambia, you know this. And one more question, who are some of your most successful artists you have worked with right now? Well, I've worked with, in Gambia, this is the artist that I work with in Gambia. Right now, there's an artist called Jackie Blaze, a Senegalese artist. I've done some work with him. I've done work with Divine. She's been like on the reggae kind of take with Spice and them kind of artists and stuff. You know, I've done work with soca artists, you know, international soca artists. So I've been doing it for a while. you know. So now it's time just to focus on Gambia. So these artists now that we bring from scratch. For Slim Daddy, he's already, you know.
He's a top. He's a top gun. He's a top gun. He's one of the top guns.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Vicky now, you know, the queen of Sierra Leone music. Every place I go, and I say, yeah, I work with a Sierra Leonean.
But she gone back. She gone with
yeah, but everybody's like, yo, I got some of Vicky's music, this and that. I didn't tell you because I didn't want to make her head swell too big. But, you know, she's well known in the Sierra Leone circuit and stuff. So, yeah, man, it's brighter things, man. 2021 is going to be mad.
Yeah. And the StreetFlair Records it's just like founded with the goal of helping small underground artists who has the level maintained.
Yeah. So that's what it's all about. It's just about like working with people, developing people, as we develop ourselves as well. You know, that's how life is.
And what are the latest development for the songs and the publishing, promotion, requests?
Yeah, well, right now we're working with Believe in One. We're doing the EP with Believe in One Records, which is a Gambian label. And African Skank is actually the first single that we're working together. So those are different artists, not even StreetFlair artists, but Believe in One artists. Jazzy J, Obi Mike, and they collaborated with Vicky and Bling Flick, and Slim Daddy will be on it. So now we actually doing stuff, working with artists, working with DJs. You know, we even got a DJ. Top DJ, he's on Capital FM, one DJ Raps.
Yeah, and you do fashioning and all that stuff.
Yeah, we do the StreetFlair clothing and things.
Okay, Flair, what advice can you give to the emerging artists who are trying to break up into the music business right now?
It's like this in life. Just keep moving forward. People around you, certain things in life circumstances will always try to push you back, but just keep moving forward. That's what it is. You need to persevere. That's the only way that you'll become successful. There's no other way.
Okay.
You see?
So in these days, do artists need to be developed and established before you sign them?
Well, it's more than that. What I'm looking for is just not the music. I'm looking for the attitude, people that we could work with, building a team together. So it's more than that, you understand? And all of these artists will become business people as well. So it's not just music, developing the t-shirts, you know what I mean, and getting them involved in different aspects of business. So that's what this is about. This is not just about music. Music is at the front, but this is developing